Okay, to minus these two numbers, we're going to start with the very right one, the right column. Okay, so we're going to do 1 minus 4, but since 1 can't be minus 4, we're going to put imaginary 1 here, and we're going to call that 11 now. 11 minus 4 would be 7. Now, this imaginary 1 is being used. Now it goes down here and is added to the next number down. Okay, so this 9 would add 1, will turn into a 10. Now we go to this column, the second column. We say 0 minus 10, we can't do, so we put imaginary 1 again. So now we got 10 minus 10, which is 0. Okay, now again, the 1 is going to transfer itself down to the next number down below. Okay, so that one, so now 3 plus 1 becomes a 4. Okay, then you have 8 minus 4 is 4. And then you have 1 minus nothing is just 1. So the answer is 14.07. And that's your answer. Now this method is different to the method you might be taught in school, where you would have to borrow. Okay, let's do the borrowing method. Let's try it again. So you got 18.01 minus 3.94. Okay, so the way this works is we're going to say 1 minus 4. Again, with the very right hand column, 1 can't minus 4. So we have to borrow. So we look to the next number, the next column. This one has nothing to borrow from, so we ignore that. We go to the next one. Okay, we're going to borrow, so this has 8. So I'm going to borrow 1. Now I'm going to borrow 1, so this becomes a 7. And this 1 transfers over to this guy. So now this becomes a 10. Now I can borrow from 10, I can borrow 1, so this becomes a 9, and then I can give that 1 to this next one, and this becomes 11. Okay, so 11 minus 4 is again 7, and now you have, then this, once we're done with that, go to the next column, 9 minus 9, which is a 0, and then you have 7 minus 3, which is a 4, and 1 minus nothing is just 1. So again, you still get 14.07, just like this one. This is the method that I prefer to use, but this is the one that's taught in school most of the time. So you can choose whichever method works for you, and that's how you will do the question.